big relief for Future Retail, a division bench of the Delhi High Court has stayed the single judge bench order which had halted the Future Retail Reliance deal. The interim order passed by the division bench has noted that the single judge passed orders prima facie without having all proper parties before it. The High Court has added that statutory authorities such as SEBI and CCI cannot be restrained from performing their roles, whereas Future Retail and Amazon have been asked to wait till final orders are passed by the single judge bench. While lifting the status quo on the deal, the High Court held that Amazon was not a party to the agreement which was signed between Future Coupons and Future Retail, and observed that group entity doctrine cannot be invoked in this particular case. Also, the court made it clear that the final decision on the deal will be taken only when the single judge passes the order which has already been reserved by it, and the court made it clear that it's not inclined to adjudicate issues raised at this point of time as the reserved order is yet to be passed. Also, the court made it clear that statutory authorities cannot be stopped from proceeding with their decision making with respect to the deal, and also refused to accede to Amazon's request to extend the status quo order for a week to appeal against the High Court order. In all likelihood, Amazon is going to challenge this order before the top court. The Delhi High Court's division bench will continue hearing on Future Retail's petition on the 26th of February, and the detailed hearing will factor in the currently reserved order by a single judge bench. Future Retail had urged the High Court to end the status quo on its deal with Reliance Group, claiming that Amazon was trying to kill the company by depriving it of money. Future Retail's petition before the court's division bench had contested the 2nd February order by a single judge bench which had halted the deal and ruled that the emergency arbitrator's order passed to protect Amazon's interests was enforceable under the Arbitration Act. Appearing for Future Retail, senior lawyer Harish Salvi had claimed that the emergency arbitrator wrongly applied the group entity doctrine in the case, while pointing to the December 21 single judge bench order which had prima facie held tortious interference on the part of Amazon, arguing that the December 21 order to allow the deal to proceed outweighed the emergency arbitrator's order. He stated that the single judge bench order was still in force, though Amazon had contested it before a division bench. Salve submitted that the August 29 board resolution by Future Retail to proceed with Reliance deal was upheld by the single judge bench and had received necessary approvals from CCI and SEBI. He requested the court to end the status quo while pointing to the merger application pending in NCLT for approval of the deal, which will need a meeting to be conducted between the shareholders, and the process itself will take 5 weeks. Future Retail stated that Amazon can be compensated for its investment of rupees 1,413 crores, claiming that Amazon only wanted to stop the deal. Future Retail cited financial difficulties and claimed that Amazon was not ready to provide capital at a time when Reliance was ready to pay future salaries to Future Retail staff and also provide money to pay pending dues.